Yo, they going fast. Something going down. Look at that. That's
whole
that
wings. Whole fresh wings.
Whole fresh wings up in there. Look at this, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. They are not playing here in Newark, New Jersey. Mac and cheese, greens, wings. Wow, that looks all new, right? We go to Reverend Ronald B. Christian Community Health and Wellness Center. Yo, we here on Lyons Avenue, y'all. That's Beth Israel right there. Beth Israel. We about to go to the BlackStone, the real soul food brothers. 862-281-2401. Halal, word is born. Let's go check it out. Right here, Beth Israel. I know a lot of y'all. I know y'all gonna be like, I was born at Beth Israel. I can hear y'all talking now. Popo going fast, y'all. They're going fast. Yo, they going fast. Something going down. Look at this, y'all. Look at that.
Fresh
She got, that's that fresh.
Whole fresh wings.
Whole fresh wings up in there.
Yeah.
She's dropping them in the grease, y'all. I hope I got some. Did I get some?
Of course you got fresh wings.
I was going live.
Fresh
before.
wings.
Fresh wings, y'all.
That's why the lines are long sometimes at BlackStone, because everything is fresh.
Yeah.
When you see things piled up at the windows, it's not fresh.
Yeah.
They cooking it ahead of time, and when you come, they're reheating it, so you get, greasy food.
Yeah.
That's been sitting for some time.
Yeah.
Fresh seasoned wings.
Look at that, y'all.
Whole
Season.
wings.
Look at the season on them. What season you put on there?
Ancient Chinese secret.
I tried to get it, y'all. I tried to get the secret. We was going home to make our own BlackStone wings. She said, She in there cooking, y'all. All right, y'all. So we gonna wait on the wings. Word is born. How much was that? Look at this, y'all. Y'all thought this was a game. They are not playing here in Newark, New Jersey. Mac and cheese, greens, wings. How much are you, sis? $9?
Yes.
That's $9, y'all. That's a good deal.
That's $9 for you.
Oh, she said $9 for me. Oh, she threw the greens in, y'all. Let me hurry up and pay before she changed her mind. Look, y'all. Look at that. That's BlackStone. They got that macaroni and cheese. That look cheesy-licious. And they got those fried chicken wings. She just fried those, just dipped them in batter, fried them, and they got the greens. I'm gonna be honest, y'all. The greens don't look like the type of greens that I like, but I'm definitely gonna check them out anyway. Let's get it. Got that soul food, y'all. That soul food there. What y'all know about that soul food? First thing I'm gonna do, we gonna hold the wings till last. They really hot. Let's go into this macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese. Oh, that cheese is thick. Oh, that's good. It's creamy too. It's good, creamy, cheesy. Those are good, man. I would say that it need a little sauce or hot sauce. It's good and creamy. It would also, I would say that this needs to be baked a little more, but it's still good. Okay. I'm gonna get some hot sauce. You got hot sauce?
I don't have any packs. Here's a bottle.
Oh, we got the whole bottle?
Yes.
Got the whole, excuse me, sister. I'm gonna put the hot sauce on the wings. Where those wings at?
Where the wings at?
I was out there too, sis, in Plainfield. I had a good time out there on the weekend.
It was nice.
Yeah, it was nice. It was perfect. I got the hot sauce on there, y'all. All right, let's taste it now. Nice and creamy. It don't have a cheese pull to it, but it's like creamy macaroni and cheese. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to put, next thing I'll do, I'm gonna taste the greens. The greens aren't my type of greens. Those aren't my type of greens. It's a little vinegary. I like it a little sweet. Yeah, those aren't my type of greens, y'all. Let's get into this wing, y'all. I'm gonna set this plate down, and I'm gonna get into this chicken wing a bit. Hold on. Let me slide this back even a little more. Let's get this wing, y'all. See that wing right there? Check it out. Look at the hot sauce I got on that wing. Uh-oh, that's the winner. It's the wings. It's the wings. It's the wings, y'all. It's them wings. Take it easy, ma'am. The wings are delicious. I like that. I really like that. Oh, that's good stuff. Let me get down low. Can you get down low? How low can you go? All the way to the floor? I know y'all like, man, stop, just stop. All right. That hot sauce and the crispiness of them wings, those wings, perfect. I got 4 wings, y'all. That's $4, right? It came to $9 total. The side was $5, and she threw in the collard greens. Chicken wings. Let's check it out. Yo, I gotta do my chicken wing dance. Hey! I had to do my chicken wing dance on that one. Oh, that's nice and hot too. Very hot. I'm stepping on stuff. That one's really hot, y'all. I gotta put that one back. This one's been cooling off. I love chicken wings. I love chicken wings that's fresh off the grease. Yo, what up? I got napkins too somewhere, y'all. I got napkins. And I'm thirsty. Oh, I almost drank that whole thing of water. The greens I wasn't happy with. I'll give the greens a 4. Macaroni and cheese gets a 6. The wings get an 8.5. BlackStone, be here on Wednesdays. Dollar Wing Wednesdays. I think the dollar wings are worth it, man. Good stuff. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for liking. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Tell a friend. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Where those wings at? Where those wings at? That might be copyrighted music. There used to be Astro Cleaners right there. There go the King's #1 restaurant, even though that's a different location. Green Acres, y'all. Green Acres. That's where BlackStone usually sit, right here in front of Green Acres. They're down by Beth Israel now.